Hello, welcome to question 40, which happens to be the last of the objective test questions. Then if you are seeing this for the first time, know that we have treated from question 1 to question 40 of the WASSCE 2025 Nigerian Further Mathematics. Then after this episode, the subsequent episode is going to be the subjective test question, the section B. Don't miss that one also. So we have a medical group consists of 7 general practitioners and 5 surgeons. So in how many ways can an outreach team of 5 medical personnel be selected if the team must have at least 3 general practitioners? So it means that from the pool of 7 general practitioners, we are going to pick at least the least number that we can pick. So be what? 3. It means I can pick 3 from there, then I'm looking for 5. Then pick what? 2 from the surgeons. Or I can pick 4 from there and pick 1 from the surgeons. I can also pick what? All 5. You say at least the least general practitioner we need for the team. So be 3. So we can pick 3, we can pick 4, we can pick 5, meaning we can pick all. So we are going to have the combination. If you check our episode we did on combination and permutation, you can see the criteria that this question the criteria that this particular question falls. You can check it out in a playlist on YouTube. So here I'm going to use combination of I'm picking at least 3 from 7. So it means 7 I am picking only 3. So 7 combination what? 3. That is the first option if I'm to pick that. Then the next group that will make it complete 5 will be 3. But that 3, I'll be picking it from where? From 5. So end. So we multiply 5 combination what? 2. In order to make a combination of what? 5. Then this is the option I can get. So somebody, the selection could be this, the number of ways that this can be selected. Or it could also mean that I am having 7 general practitioners and I want to pick 4. As long as I pick 4, it means that I'll be left with 1 to pick from the surgeons. So this could also be a possible chance. Or, which is the addition, I am having 7 general practitioners to pick. I can decide to pick all of them, 5, for the team. Then that means that I am going to have 5 people picking 0 surgeons. So these are the combinations that can happen. It could be at least 3. The least will be 3. So 3 for the general practitioners, then 2 for surgeons. Or it could be 4 for general practitioners and 1 for the surgeons. Or it could be that I'm picking all the 5 right away from the practitioners and picking 0 members from what? The surgeons. So let's put this into actual calculation, which means 7 combination 3. That will be giving us 35. So 35 times. Then we go back to 5 combination 2, right? And that will be 10. So this is the first option. The second option could be I'm having 7, what do you have? Combination 4, which will also be, I think this is 3. This is also going to be 35. Then I go for, I think the second will be 5, right? 5 combination 1 will be 5. So let's see, we have 5 there. Plus, then I'm having 7 combination 5. That will be 21. Then 5 combination 0 will be what? 1. There's only one approach out there. Alright. Now, let's see our multiplication. This right here is going to be 350. Then we multiply 35 by what? 5. And that will be 175. 21 by 1 will still be 21. Let's add all these together and see. We have 175 plus 350 plus 21, and that will be giving us a total of what? 546. So these are the various ways. These are the number of ways by which we can select our team. 546 different ways by which we can select that, because we want at least of them. Don't forget that people in there we are selecting. So people representing themselves on the team is going to be 546 different ways, and this is going to be the option what? D. I guess you are able to go through this journey with me from the question 1 to question 40. If you have not watched all the episodes, I will entreat you to try them from question 1 to question 40 and see, abreast yourself. That is if you are preparing for the exam. If you are in Ghana, you are preparing for the next exam, which is going to be in August, September, that way. You need to preview yourself with how the questions were set for the Nigerian. Like, share, comment, and come back for section B.